It's been a super volatile week. SPY was jumping and dropping 2-3% as if it was nothing. There was a lot of money rotation between tech stocks and opening stocks and many other sectors. So the main sell off here were tech stocks, and some other sectors were performing well actually. So what we did in our chat room, we could almost get all these moves. We were short when it was at all-time highs. I alerted in the swing buy alerts that SPY is at all-time high and we need to hedge our positions. It was super risky to hold all these positions with SPY being so extended. So we have shorted SPY at all-time high, and I took profits around here and I went long. And I took profits again here. And after this big drop, I got in SPY using $200,000, which was a pretty big risk for my portfolio. But we end up doing well because Friday market jumped around 2% and that was around $4,000 profit. So we were fortunate enough to not buy tech stocks at all-time highs. We bought some other sectors that they were underperforming, and during this dip we filled some tech stocks. So this week's stock recommendation will be around 10 stocks. There's a lot of stocks that we got in much lower, and I could not make this video very fast because at the same day SPY popped around 2%. So let's get into the stock recommendations. The first stock is gold, Barrick Gold. So this stock usually follows gold, and gold is at this low of the channel, which has a pretty good chance for a bounce back. And usually the mining companies react much faster. It means if gold went up 2-3%, mining companies can go around 10 to 15%. So I think gold is a pretty good buy at this level. So the first stock is Barrick Gold. The second stock is again related to gold, which is KL. So I bought KL around this dip. I started buying at 36. Currently it's below my average, so you have a better price to get in. Don't mind lot of technicals because gold is simply oversold and it's a good buy at this point. And target is around 40, which is around 20% profit. Third stock pick is FTX. I've been holding the stock since January. I bought around this dip and it dipped even more. It's currently consolidating at this level and it's looking for a trend continuation. And FTX did not react a lot to the market condition. Yes, it did a bit, but it's not the same level of drop on SPY. So if the market bounces, FTX has a really high chance to do a breakout from this level and push at all-time highs. And now let's switch into some tech stocks. The first one is ADBE, Adobe. They have earnings on March 23 and it looks at a very good technical level for a bounce back. This is one of my favorite setup. It's between in a channel. The low of the channel, the marker and stochastic RSI, they are oversold. Even the MACD indicator. So this is a great buying opportunity. We could buy the dip in ADBE, which I alerted in the chat room. We got into this dip. It currently bounced around 4%, but it's a good buying opportunity for a bounce back around this target range. So the fourth stock pick is on Adobe. This is one of my favorite setup, and I personally think they will perform good on the earnings. The sixth stock pick is on PLTR. We traded PLTR many times. We got into this dip, we sold here, and I bought again this dip and I sold here, which the first one was around 20% profit and the second one around 10%. And now it was a great buying opportunity at this dip, especially ARK Invest buying it. So at this drop, it was a great buying opportunity. It's currently at $24, which is a good buy again. And I'm looking at target around $28 to $27, even more, it depends. After it breaks my target range, I'll follow the 9 EMA line to ride the trend. The seventh stock pick is Tesla. We could get the dip on Tesla around 540 level, which I alerted here. I said I'm going to buy at this area, the green area, which is close to 200 moving average. And it dipped after 15 to 20 minutes. We got and it currently pushed around 10%. And still it's a good buying opportunity. I'm looking for a bounce back around 650 to 800 level. 8th stock pick is on Walmart. Currently, Walmart is my biggest position in my portfolio because it's looking very good for a bounce back. Let's switch on a weekly time frame. You see this channel and it's at the low of the channel, and this is my perfect setup for a swing trade. The stock is moving in a channel. Stochastic RSI, the marker indicator oversold. Even MACD is going to switch momentum here. So this is for me a great buying opportunity, and this is my biggest position in my portfolio. So I felt heavy in this dip, and I'm looking for a bounce back around 140 to 150 level. There's many other positions that you can still buy. You can go to my chat room and in Flipper Fund channel, type in positions command, and the bot will answer you the positions that I'm holding with the unrealized profit and loss on the stock. So the stocks that you can buy is the stock that unrealized P&L is negative, or you can type in positions buy, and the bot will sort you the stocks, which are in negative P&L. You simply have a better price to get in. And if you want to check the analysis on the stock, you can simply type in chart and the stock name. Let's take AKAM, and the bot will direct you to my analysis on the stock. You can see here. So as said, it was a super volatile week, and you could use the volatility in your advantage, and I could luckily make around $9,000, which is super awesome. So I wish you guys good luck and see you in the next video.